Hey, what's going on, YouTube? It's your boy, Honest Modders, checking in with another drop. Got another unboxing, very special collab. I would say early review, because it just dropped a few days ago, paid for like overnight shipping, so let's get into it. We got the Keef True Religion collab. A lot of people was asking for it when they did the 2 Chainz collab. You see, I got that up there. A lot of people was asking for it. A couple other artists as well, but they actually did do a drop with him. And it should be interesting. So it's my first time seeing it in person. We're gonna share it together. Let's go. Security tape off it in. Let's see what we got. Shipping label, we already know what that do. But I ain't going back. This ain't going back. Yes, sir. You'll see it. Indigo Beating Heart, Jimmy Super T jacket, Chief Keef. Let's get it all open, see what we got. Oh man, this is a long time in the making. He was around in the hip hop era in 2012 or so. This dude was on fire. Definitely supported True Religion and all that kind of stuff. Rocked it hard. A lot of shout outs in the songs and stuff like that. But anyway, let's get to the collab. Here we go. First look. I like it. Basic, normal Jimmy Super T stitching and quality of the jacket. That's, nothing new. The Super T is usually the highest quality jacket you can get. Got the special collab tag there. Definitely gonna keep that. We got a special tag there on the inside. Let's get to the back. Oh yeah, this is fire. Did a good job on that. I do see a little imperfection there, but I don't think that's good enough for me to fall back or send it back. Just gonna count it as a character, but yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. A lot of people didn't like the jeans that came with it. I actually didn't get a chance to get the jeans, even if I wanted to. They sold out pretty quick in my size. But a lot of people had some mixed reviews on the jeans. This jacket, however, 100% fire. Yes, this is a stitched patch, very high quality. Yeah, I like it. Like it a lot. Definitely gonna rock it. Let me know what you think in the comments about the collab. If you've seen any of the other pieces, let me know what's your favorite. They were going for like a true love kind of thing with this collab. And it kind of works. I mean, I like the outlandish look of it. A little different from the 2 Chainz collab here, which I'll show you now. Same style jacket, but 2 Chainz just wanted to make it nice and clean with his mixtape cover on there. Nothing wild with the inside tag or anything like that. Just the label cover on the outside, but this one, a lot more detail, a lot more outlandish. Definitely a draw, a lot more eyes. Let me know what y'all think down in the comments. Like, share, comment, subscribe. We out. Peace.